Hi there guys, my name is Asian R. Angeles and I am a BSIT student. So for today's video, I'm going to discuss a topic about Database Management System or DBMS. So let's go! So guys, ayun na nga, before I proceed to my topic, marami lang kasi nagtatanong sa akin or nagsasabi sa akin kung ano bang kaimportantihan or importance nitong DBMS or Database Management System. As simple as this. DBMS is important because it manages the data efficiently and allow users to perform multiple tasks on it with an ease. So, ayun guys. Tapos, without DBMS, we might have to do it manually and would have taken more time para gawin yun. Also, DBMS help preserving the data in many forms and which we can use anywhere and maybe after ages. To keep records of what we have done to what we will do. So, ayun nga guys. Everything has to be kept in form of some records. And DBMS provides efficient way to accomplish that task. Guys, let's proceed to the main components of the database management system. As you can see guys, there are 5 major components of the database management system. Here's the hardware, software, data, procedures, and database access language. So let's start with hardware. When we say hardware, we mean computer or hard disk or I/O channels for data and any other physical components involved before any data is successfully stored into the memory. Software. This is the main components. So as this is the program which controls everything. The DBMS software is more like a wrapper around the physical database, which provide us with an easy-to-use interface to store, access, and update data. So let's jump to data. Data is that resource for which DBMS was designed. The motive behind the creations of DBMS was to store and utilize data. In a typical database, the user saved data is present and metadata is stored. So what is metadata? Metadata is a data about the data. This is information stored by the DBMS to better understand the data stored on it. Procedure. Procedures refers to general instruction to use the database management system. This includes procedures to set up and install a DBMS, to log in and to log out of DBMS software, to manage databases, to take backups, generating reports, etc. Database Access Language. Database Access Language is a simple language designed to write commands to access, insert, update, and delete data stored in any database. A user can write commands in the database access language and submit it to the DBMS for execution, which is then translated and executed by the DBMS. User can create new databases, tables, insert data, fetch stored data, update data, and delete the data using the access language. Guys, let's move to the life cycle of a database development. So ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo yung picture and then papaliwanag ko sa inyo kung paano to nag-work. The life cycle of a database development. Designing and implementing a database for a company can be a challenging task to deal with. This may require special abilities from database developers in many areas of the task. Determining which specific track the database development will proceed may help the developers in designing some of the useful strategies. By knowing how to respond to specific changes of the plan, you can help yourself define a new way of developing a useful tool to safeguard the company's data. In the logical design phase of database development, the developer will determine the key elements of the tables. This will also include the data types that will be used for each field. In an instance of employee database, the primary key will be the employee's social security number of the employer's ID. Database development is like software development. You will need to carefully plan on specific things to come up with the quality and the success of the project. When you have focused more on designing and planning for the database, you can ensure to have quality and beneficial type of resource for the company. So guys, let's proceed to the database administration and security. Controlling access to the database, including creating logins for users and setting roles for each users. Some users may only need to query the data, while others are involved in entering new data. Providing support services to the end users, such as making sure all users know how to use the database. Managing procedures for backup and recovery of data, in case of error made by the users or system crashes. You don't want to lose all the valuable data just because the power went out. Ensuring data integrity, which means that data are complete, accurate, and current for the task at hand. Controlling data security, including preventing unauthorized access to the data and protecting against other security threats. Setting data privacy, which means that only authorized individuals are able to see certain data. For example, there is no need for everyone in the organization to be able to see all the personal files of all the employees. So guys, that's the end of our videos. Hope na namin natutunan kayo and hope na na-enjoy nyo yung video. And sana please do like and share this video para po sa assignment purpose. And sana po spread love. Thank you guys!